Hello friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these little baby vases. You'll need embroidery floss and 2mm crochet hook. First, make a magic circle. The first round, make 6 single crochet in the magic circle. For this pattern, we are not doing slip stitch at the end of each round. Instead, just continue directly to the next round. The second round, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. The third round, single crochet in the first stitch. Two single crochet in the next stitch. So just increase every other stitch. Round 4, single crochet in the first 2 stitches. And make an increase in the next stitch. So single crochet 2 stitches and make an increase in every third stitch. Round 5. Make 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches. And increase in the 4th stitch. And then just repeat around. Round 6, single crochet in each stitch, but only in back loops. At the end of the round, before you finish the last stitch, join the second color. Round 7, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Before you finish the last stitch of the round and still have 2 loops on the hook, pick up the previous color and pull through the 2 loops. Round 8, single crochet in the first 4 stitches. Make an increase in every 5th stitch. From round 9 to round 12, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and at the end of each round, switch color. Round 13, make 1 single crochet in the first 7 stitches. Make a decrease in the 8th stitch, only in the front loop, and then just repeat around. From round 14 to 16, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 17, make 1 single crochet in the first 6 stitches. And make a decrease in the 7th stitch, and then just repeat around. Round 18 and 19, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 20, single crochet in the first 5 stitches. And make a decrease in the 6th stitch. And then just repeat around. Round 21 to 23, just make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Round 24, the last round, chain 2 and make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet in the next stitch. Before you finish the single crochet and still have 2 loops on the hook, pick up the other color and pull through the 2 loops to finish the single crochet. Tuck in the other color as you crochet along. Then when you need to switch color, it will be in the right position. At the end, Slip stitch to the bottom of the beginning chain 2.